ChartPrime makes a trader's job easier by taking complex trading formulas and algorithms and simplifying them down into useful tools and signals. Now, they just recently added a new feature called multi-time frame graded support and resistance. This indicator allows you to focus on the support and resistance levels that actually matter. Additionally, it will also rank each support and resistance level based on its strength on a scale of 1 to 10, allowing you to find ranges, take profit, and find entries and exits a lot easier. And if you're interested in what other members' experiences have been like, you can read through testimonials and see what they have to say about ChartPrime. So if you're interested in this powerful set of tools, I will have a link in the description below where you can get 40% off right now. So go ahead and check out ChartPrime. Now let's get right into this video. So firstly, if you haven't signed up to Webull yet, go ahead and sign up using the link in the description below. Right now, you can get 12 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000 a share by using my link in the description below. Now, for today's video, I'm going to be using Webull's desktop app, which is completely free to use. All you need to do is when you go to Webull.com, go to this download tab on the top, and here you can go ahead and download the Webull desktop app, again, completely free. So that's what I'm going to be using here for today's video. So that being said, let's head on over to the Webull desktop app, and let's just get right into this video here. So here we are on Webull's desktop app. And firstly, the first thing you want to do here is you want to go to the screener section of this app. So right now, if we go to the left here, notice I'm on the options traders tab. There's this paper trading tab, account tab, customize tab, and then right above that, you'll see a tab that says screener. This is where we want to go. So go ahead and click on this right here. So this is going to take us to the screener section of the Webull desktop app. This is where we're going to do everything here today. Now, let me first start off by saying that Webull offers two screeners here. If we take a look at the top. So there's the one that just says screeners. This is going to be specific to stocks. So it's going to be a stock screener. It's going to return you stocks based on the criteria that you submit. Now, next to that, there's also an option screener. So this is going to return you options based on whatever, details you submit. Now, when it comes to the option screener, you need to subscribe to real-time quotes to view this data. As you can see right here, I believe this is $3 a month. So you can decide if you want to try out the option screener and mess around with that, even if it's just for 1 month, right? I'm just gonna leave that up to you. Today, we're just gonna stick to the regular stock screener here. And so with that being said, let's get into this here. So the very first thing you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna select what region you're interested in when it comes to these stocks. So right now I'm on United States, and as you can see, there's almost 8,000 stocks here being shown. Now, if I expand this, there are other options in here as well. So there's Hong Kong, there's Chinese mainland. So let's say if I clicked on this, right, we have another 5,000 stocks here. Again, the region here now is Chinese mainland though. We have India as well. If you're interested in India, another 7,000 stocks there. And then we also have Canada as well. 4,000 stocks here. So again, you can go ahead and select whatever region you're interested in. I'm just going to leave it as United States for now. And again, we have almost 8,000 stocks listed here. So that's the very first thing you're going to want to do. Once you have your region selected, now we can get into the pretty fun part here about this. So we're going to go into this filters button here. So let's go ahead and click on this. So this is going to show me all the available filters that this screener offers right now. So let's say, you're looking for stocks to sell puts on or sell covered calls on. And let's say your criteria that you're looking at right now is you're looking for a stock that costs between $10 to $20 a share, that also has a dividend, and that also has a buy or strong buy analyst rating. So let's just pretend that's your criteria that you're looking for, right? If you don't have this tool here, that's going to be very hard to find on your own, find those exact stocks. But with this, it's going to simplify it and make it so much easier. So let's take a look at how we would do that. So the first thing we do, again, if we're looking for a stock between $10 and $20 a share, let's go ahead and do that first. So here, we're going to click on last price. And so here, I'm going to go ahead and do $10 to $20. So now it's going to go ahead and show me stocks whose last price was between $10 to $20 a share. So right off the bat, I have a whole list here now, 1,800 stocks that are shown here that have, again, a share price of $10 to $20 a share. So now the second criteria I had mentioned was, well, I also want a stock that has a dividend. Okay, so let's go back to the filters then. So now we can click on dividend here. And so now, I can go and say, I just want it to have any dividend is fine. So I'll just do 0.1 or something like that. Right, so I'll just start there and just, go all the way to the top here for the slider. So now I'm looking for stocks that also have dividends. So now so far, I'm filtering for stocks that have a share price of $10 to $20 a share who also have a dividend. So now I'm down to 256 stocks. And again, it's really nice. You get this information instantly without you having to go out and search on your own. Because even, if you were to search for this criteria on your own without a tool like this would take you hours, maybe even days, right? Now, the third thing I had mentioned was, well, I also want a stock that has a buy or strong buy analyst rating. So now, again, we go back to the filters, and down here under others, we get analyst rating. So let's click on that. And now I can go ahead and filter for that analyst rating. So it has, strong buy, hold, underperform, and sell. So let's say I'm interested in the buys and strong buys. So now, as you can see, we went from, 8,000 stocks to now 73 stocks that meet this criteria. Now I have this list here where I can go ahead and now I can really just focus on these stocks rather than going out and doing so much research as to what stocks fit this criteria. So now we only have 73 stocks here, and you can look through them. You can, start looking deeper into some of these, right? Pick a couple here and see, okay, do I like this? Do I not like this? Do I want to add even another filter to even filter it down more, right? So this is how you can use this screener tool. Very useful. And what's nice here is you can go ahead and save this as well. Right? Because let's say you use this and it actually works very well for you. And then, a week later you come back to use it again, but you forgot what the filters were that you used. Well, that's fine because now you can save it and then you can name it here. So, let's say if this is my filter for looking for stocks to sell options on, I could say selling options screener or something like that. And then I can save it. And then when you go to your screeners here, you'll see it right here, selling option screener. So now you have that forever. So you don't forget what the filters were that you used for that. Now, what's also nice here is let's say that you're more of a technical analyst, technical analysis type of person. Well, this can also be really useful to you as well. So let me show you how. So let's go back here. Let me remove analyst rating and dividend. So now, again, if you're more of a technical analysis type of person, you can look under here, technical indicators and signals, and there's filters for you as well, right? Moving averages, exponential moving average, RSI, right? Something that I think is pretty cool is you can even click on, for example, classic pattern, so that you can filter for stocks that are, either forming or have just recently formed a specific pattern here. So let's say I'm looking for a stock now between $30 to $70 a share. So $30 to $70 a share. And let's say I want to find a stock that's also formed an inverse head and shoulder. Well, now under classic pattern, here's the head and shoulders button. So I can go ahead and click on this here. And when it comes to an inverse head and shoulders, keep in mind that would be a bullish signal. That that generally means the stock is going to reverse and head higher. So you would go on the bullish side here, and then you can also filter to what time period do you want this chart pattern to have formed in? Do you want to have many short term medium term or long term form. And remember, the longer term is going to be generally more accurate. It just tends to happen a lot less often. So, but let's say I go to long term. Now here I have 40 stocks between $30 and $70 a share that have either recently or about to form an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now I can, grab one of these, go confirm, in TradingView that it's about to or that it has, and potentially make a move off of that. And they have other patterns here as well, a lot of patterns here actually. So that's how you can also use this if you're more of a technical analysis type of individual. So a very helpful screener here. And again, they also have an option screener. It does cost money to use. But I do think overall this is a very great tool to learn how to use and to definitely use it every day. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Check out the Discord, link to it in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.